welcome back. I hope your studying and practicing is going well. Today is lesson number 5, and we're actually going to break this lesson up into 2 parts because it's a really big lesson. It's all about time signs. I like to teach time signs all together because the rules apply to each other, and it makes so much more sense if you learn them all together. But it is a big lesson, so we're going to break it up into 2 parts. So I'm going to start going over some vocabulary with you as we get started, and then we will go through the next section of the lesson in a second video. All right, so the first one is the sign for future or past. Now, something to keep in mind with ASL, think of your body as being the center of a timeline. All future signs go forward, all past signs go back. So if I wanted to say future, the sign for future goes forward like that. Future. If I wanted to say like way far in the future, I could really exaggerate that sign. Or future. Past goes back like this. Past, I can exaggerate this one also. So I can go way back when. I can even go which would be like once upon a time, back then. So future and past. Next is the signs for now and today. Think of present. So your present signs are done right in front of your body. Rather than going forward or back, they're right in front. So now is done with the Y hand shapes, and you pull them down right in front of your body like this. Now. And you have one movement with this one. And then today is a pulsing movement. Today. And it matches the syllables. Today, right? Today. So now and today. Next is a sign for tomorrow. Now remember, keeping in mind that future signs go forward, right? So tomorrow goes like this, and it's done with the A hand shape. Tomorrow. If I repeat this sign, it's daily or every day. So every day or tomorrow. Now, yesterday is going to go back. I wish I could say that it's the exact opposite of tomorrow, but you just go back like that. But it's not. The movement is a little bit different. Well, the movement is a little bit different. So we're going to touch near the chin and go back. So the point of contact is the thumb. With tomorrow, the point of contact is the sides of your fingers. With yesterday, the point of contact is the tip of your thumb. So yesterday, tomorrow, every day. Next is the general sign for day. So we're just going to make a fist with one finger, and we're going to go like this. Think of like this being the land and the sun traveling through the sky, right? So day. Now, I'm going to introduce you to a concept that we like to call numerical incorporation, and this is used a lot in time signs. So what that means is I can incorporate a number into my sign that, to indicate how many. So for example, this is day or 1 day. If I wanted to say 3 days, any guess how I could do that? Make a 3 and sign the day sign. So 3 days. 5 days, 8 days, 9 days. Now there's what we call the rule of 9, and that is where you can incorporate a number up to 9. So because if you try to go like this, it just does not work right. So it's rule of 9. You can incorporate the number up till 9. So 9 days. If I wanted to say all day, I could actually use a flat hand and go like this, all day. And if I go below my arm, it will be all night. So all night and all day. Next we have morning. With morning, noon, afternoon, night, a good way to remember these is to think of your arm again as like the horizon. So think of in the morning when the sun is just barely coming up. Morning. So like good morning. Noon, think of the sun being straight up in the sky. Noon. Afternoon, the palm faces forward and comes down like that. Afternoon. And then night, think of the sun being fully down. Night. So we have morning, noon, morning, think of the face of the sun coming up, morning, noon, afternoon, and night. There you go. Okay, now a cool trick with these signs, if I were to go like this, I would be signing every morning. If you sweep it across, think of on a calendar how the weeks go across, right? So sweep this sign across for every morning. You can do, now it doesn't work for every day at noon, it's just really awkward, but every afternoon works and every night works. If I wanted to say tonight, I would sign now night, because it's present, right? So it's right in front of your body. So tonight, or this morning, present tense. So this morning, this afternoon, tonight will be like that. If I wanted to say last night, I would do past night or tomorrow night. This morning, or like yesterday morning. So you add a time to the morning, noon, afternoon, night signs. Okay, next is this sign for midnight. Oh, actually, last night, tonight. Okay, we got that. Now, midnight is fun. So remember how we did all night like this? And noon is straight up. Midnight is straight down, and most people make a 12 when they do this sign. So midnight. Another cool thing you can do with these signs is add the sign for food before them, and it turns it into a meal. So breakfast would be food in the morning. Lunch would be, dinner would be, and what do you think midnight snack would be? Very good, very good. Next we have, let me go back. Last night, this morning, midnight snack. Okay. All right, great. We're going to stop there because this is, again, a really big, intense lesson. I do want to bring up, again, remember the timeline, your body being the center, past signs go back, future signs go forward, and also rule of 9. You can incorporate the number into the sign for some of these words, and we call that numerical incorporation. Okay, and then rule of 9, you can incorporate the number up to the number 9. All right, great. Thank you guys so much for being here. I know this is a lot. This is a really good lesson, though. It's really important. So we will go on to the second part next time. Thank you.